With respect to your question, well, if you're going to look at the treasury yields and if you're going to look at the movement of the if you're going to look at the movement of the Philippine peso, seemingly investors are expecting that the monetary board of the Banco Central ng Pilipinas may hold policy rates as is. They may keep it unchanged. Because if you will see, the Philippine peso has been showing weakness, and at the same time, the treasury yield has been declining so far. And these are signs that, signs of expectations that policy rates may be unchanged. And of course, this is attributed to the slowdown in the economic growth that we have seen in the second quarter of the year.
And Japet, based on the survey on analysts, BSP will hike rates by 25 basis points. How will this affect the stock market?
Well, so far, as I've mentioned in the commentary, there are mixed picture. There are mixed views. There are mixed views with how the BSP will decide on their upcoming meeting this week. There are some that are more siding towards, towards hiking rates, and this is because of the elevated inflation that we have right now. Plus, take into consideration the possibility that inflation could remain elevated moving forward, because of the uncertainties in the Middle East, plus the effects of the possible El Nino happening. And of course, this could, prop up inflation expectations. So the BSP will have to take control of that. So there are those who are siding with the possibility of the BSP raising policy rates, but at the same time, there are those that are siding with the possibility that the BSP will hold rates as is. Because of the slowdown in the economic growth that we've seen in the second quarter. Of course, the economy needs all the help that it can get. But if you're going to raise rates, it might worsen. It might further slow down economic growth. And given the mixed views that we have, investors are, given the uncertainties with respect to the upcoming policy meeting, investors are becoming cautious for the time being. They're cautiously trading in the market, and that's why you will see a choppy market right now. It's not going towards a certain direction. But based on the movement of the other markets, the peso and the treasury yields, so far, investors are kind of leaning more towards the possibility of the BSP holding rates as is.
All right. On that note, thanks for speaking to us of PhilStock's Financial Research Manager, Japet Tanchanco.